Do you think you've already passed the age to run? Is it possible that after 40, the body can still handle it? Or worse, could running after 40 be harmful to you? And what if I told you that many discover their best physical shape after 40 years? The last part of this video will surprise you. But first, you need to understand what truly changes in your body after 40. Today, you will discover why running after 40 could be the best decision of your life. Get ready to understand the risks, the benefits, and the truths that no one tells you. We will talk about how your body changes with age, what science says, about starting to run later, and how to turn fear into movement. If you are over 40 and think it's too late, stay with me until the end, because running can not only change your body, but also your life. But first, comment below from which city you are watching us, and we will respond. What changes in the body after 40? At 40, a lot changes. It's not just the number on the calendar. Your body begins to send more subtle signals, but they are there. Recovery becomes slower. Muscle mass decreases, about 1% to 2% per year after 40. We call this sarcopenia. It's natural, but if nothing is done, the body loses strength, endurance, and mobility. And what else? Metabolism slows down. What you used to eat and burn easily now starts to accumulate. And along with that, the risk of diseases like high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and high cholesterol increases. But there's an interesting detail. Your heart, if well cared for, still has plenty of energy to burn. Your lungs can still expand, and blood can still flow freely through your veins as long as you keep moving. And here's the question: is running after 40 dangerous, or is it necessary? The answer might surprise you. Studies show that people who start running after 40 have a greater chance of maintaining cardiovascular health longer than those who already ran and stopped. It seems contradictory, right? But it's not. It's the body adapting to a new phase, with more awareness, more attention, more purpose. Of course, after 40, you need to respect your limits. It's not like when you were 20, putting on sneakers and running 10 kilometers without thinking. Now, the body asks for warm-up. It asks for strengthening. It asks for recovery. But it also responds, and it responds quickly. Even if you've been inactive for years, even if you think there's no more time, even if you believe it's already too late. It's not late, it's now. Now think with me. Have you already felt that you're slower, more tired, less willing after 40? Do you feel that your body has changed but don't know exactly what to do? Comment below. What has changed the most in your body after 40? I want to hear your experience. The real benefits of running after 40. Did you know that running just 3 times a week can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 45%? And that running is also linked to reduction of visceral fat, improvement in memory and mental clarity, better sleep quality, and even increased self-esteem. But the most incredible is that these benefits are even more powerful for those who start after 40. That's right. According to a study published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine, people who start regular physical activity after 40 have an expectancy of life up to 7 years, longer than sedentary peers of the same age. And it doesn't stop there. Look at Fernando's case, who started running at 47. He was overweight, hypertensive, and had joint pains. In less than a year, he lost 12 kilograms, stopped medications, and ran his first 5 kilometers race. Or Paula's story. A single mother, 44 years old. She started walking for 15 minutes. Today, she runs 3 times a week and says she's never had so much energy to work, take care of her home, and still smile at the end of the day. Stories like these are not exceptions. They are signs that it's possible and accessible. You don't need to run fast, nor run far. You just need to start. And the most interesting part, a matured body responds differently. More intelligently, more consciously, less impulsively, and more strategically. You learn to respect your body, to value progress, to celebrate every kilometer. And that changes everything. Running after 40 is not about speed. It's about reconnection. With the body, with the mind, with your story. And the effects are not only physical. Running helps produce serotonin and dopamine, the happiness hormones. It reduces symptoms of anxiety and depression, something that affects millions of adults between 40 and 60 years old. Running can be your turning point. It's not about being the fastest, it's about becoming your best version. Now, audience engagement, and you. Have you ever tried running? Or do you think your time has passed? Comment below. What's the biggest obstacle preventing you from running today? Maybe lack of time, fear of injury, shame. Right here. Let's talk. How to start running after 40. Now that you understand what changes in the body and the incredible benefits that running can bring, the most important part has arrived. How to truly start. Safely, without exaggeration, and without giving up halfway. The first thing you need to know is, you don't need to start running tomorrow. You need to prepare your body. Step 1. Get a checkup. Before anything else, consult a doctor. Do basic tests. Check your heart, your blood pressure, your knees. This is not fuss, it's intelligence. It's the first step for those who want to go far. Step 2. Start walking. Yes, walking. If you've been sedentary for months or years, start with 15 minutes of light walking 3 times a week. Then, increase to 30 minutes. Include small jogs of 30 seconds in the middle of the walk. It's the famous walk-run method, and it works, because it respects your body and prepares your mind. Week 1, 15-minute light walk. Week 2, 30-minute walk, plus 3 by 30 seconds running. Week 3, 30-minute walk, plus 5 by 1 minute running. And so on. Step 3. Strengthen your body. From 40 onwards, muscle strengthening is as important as running. Include simple exercises twice a week. Squats, plank, stair climbing, light abdominal exercises. This protects your joints, improves your posture, and prevents injuries. Step 4. Choose a good pair of shoes. You don't need an expensive model, but you need shoes that absorb impact and respect your gait. Go to a specialized store, ask for guidance. If possible, get a gait analysis. This prevents knee, ankle, and spine pain. Step 5. Find a fixed schedule. Consistency comes from routine. Choose 3 fixed days a week. It can be 6 a.m., 7 p.m. lunchtime. The important thing is to commit to yourself. And remember, you will have good days and bad days. It will rain. You will feel tired. You will feel lazy. But every runner, new or experienced, feels that. The difference is in continuing, even slowly. Running after 40 is not a race against time. It's a journey of re-encounter with yourself. Audience engagement. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these steps will you apply this week? Comment below, and if you want, tell me where you want to go 5 kilometers, lose weight, have more energy. Let's build this together. You don't need to go back in time. You don't need to run like a 20-year-old. You just need to run like you now. Because it's never too late to choose health. To feel proud in the mirror, to put your body in motion and your mind at peace. Maybe running doesn't change the whole world, but it can change your world. And that's more than enough. If you've made it this far, congratulations. That already shows you want to change. Now, continue this journey. Click on the video beside. This video is simple, safe, and made for those starting now. And before you go, like this video, subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, because here, you will find motivation and strategy every week. And of course, comment below. I will start. After 40, yes. Let's show that it's never too late to restart. Running awaits you. And it begins with a step.